Jesus spent lots of time talking to the crowds of people that followed him. He gave them advice on the best way to live their lives, to live good lives by being fair and doing the right thing. Jesus wanted people to show they were following him by doing more than listening to his words. He wanted them to put his words into action. Jesus often tried to help people understand his teaching by telling stories, known as parables. And this time, he told the story of the two house builders. There were once two men who were each building a house. One man carefully thought about where he should build his house. He chose solid ground and spent a long time digging down to the rock to lay the foundations. After that, he worked slowly and carefully and built up the house layer by layer until his house stood safe and secure on the rock. The other man, however, did no preparation. He was in too much of a hurry. He spent no time laying foundations. He just built the house on the sand. He built his house very quickly and it soon looked very grand, standing nice and tall on the beach. Soon a dreadful storm came. The wind blew and the rain came lashing down. The water rose and came rushing towards the houses in a torrent. The water crashed against the houses, but the house built on the rock stood firm. The house on the sand, however, collapsed and broke apart. There was nothing left. Jesus said to the crowd, "If you follow me and work my words into your life, you will be like the house on the rock. Build your life on firm foundations and put my words into action."